We are the DTX crew from room 303 afternoon, BSIT students. We dance not to impress but to inspire other people. Gusto lang namin pasalamatan ang lahat ng mga taong walang sawang sumuporta at naniwala sa amin, especially kay God. And to my group mates, guys, never give up, just do it.